Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this Mount Ocean inflatable paddleboard that I just got sent. This thing is amazing. I am so excited about it. So I'm going to highlight some of the really cool features. First of all, it comes with everything you need to use this. It also comes with a little repair kit, a carrying bag. So this bag is amazing. When this is deflated, everything fits inside of this carrying backpack, which makes it super convenient to take wherever you're going. It also comes with an adjustable paddle. It comes with the fins that go on the bottom of it. And this is the pump that it comes with. So this pump is going to inflate through this end and deflate through this end through this little knob right here on the bottom of the pump. Now this really is a very convenient and easy setup if you are going to be traveling with this or if you want to take it places with you. It does not have to stay big and inflated, but you can carry it in the bag and then inflate it when you get there. So this is amazing. I'm going to lift it up so you guys can see how large it is, and then you're going to come watch me out on the water with this paddleboard, okay? So carriage is right here. Look at how tall this is, you guys. Okay, so we are right here. This is an incredibly large paddleboard, which is perfect for adults. So this makes it really fun and convenient for up to a couple of adults, which is amazing. I also absolutely love the color. I love all of the features. Like I said, this comes with everything you need to go out there and hit the water. So come with me, we're gonna check this out together. All right, you guys, so here I go out on my sunset paddleboard ride. Oh my gosh, this is seriously so cool. This is really stable, feels awesome. You can see I started out sitting down to just kind of get a feel for it and to kind of see how it was moving and how to control it. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you that it is just as awesome and easy to stand up. It just feels really stable, really amazing. You guys, I am seriously obsessed with this. Look at how amazing this is. Just so easy to use and just so fun. I love how versatile it is. I love that you can fit more than one person on this if you wanted to. I am so excited to come back out here with my kiddos and give them a feel for what this is like. So cool. Okay, you guys, I just got in from my nice little sunset paddleboard ride. This thing is amazing. So I was able to sit on it, stand on it. I haven't used paddleboards a ton in the past, but this is actually very easy to maneuver. I love it because it was really lightweight, so it was easy to get in and out of the water with it, and it is very stable. Like I said, I had no problem transitioning from sitting to standing, paddling while doing both of those things. This is amazing, you guys. Everybody needs to hop on and grab one. Definitely, oh no. All right, you guys, so I just want to show you proof that everything fits inside this big carrying bag that comes with it. So this is literally every portion of the paddleboard and everything you need to inflate, deflate, and carry all in this backpack, and it's actually a pretty comfortable fit. So proof that it actually folds up and goes where it's supposed to, because I feel like most of the time things like that do not. So hop on, grab yourself one today. I am so obsessed with this. I love it. 10 out of 10.